Now to the case against Christopher Schur, the former Grand Rapids police officer charged in the death of Patrick Lyoya.
Today, a panel of judges heard an appeal from Schur's defense team. Schur's charged with second-degree murder for killing Lyoya during a traffic stop last year. 13 on your side's Elena Holland heard both sides of the hearing and tells us what happened. Elena.
Well, last year, a Grand Rapids judge found cause to send Schur to trial, a decision upheld by a second judge in February. But now his attorneys are asking the appeals court to throw out the murder charge. Speaking in front of a panel of judges, Mike Borgala, attorney for former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schur, argued his client's charges should be dropped. Schur is charged with second-degree murder for the death of Patrick Lyoya during a traffic stop in 2022.
We're here today as the appellant has raised 4 grounds on appeal, the first of which is that the circuit court erred as a matter of law.
He's saying the circuit court was wrong to deny an original appeal, citing the fleeing felon law and common law.
The law allows police officers to use force to make an arrest, and the common law allows police officers to use deadly force to stop a felon from fleeing when the officer reasonably believed a felony had occurred and that the fleeing suspect was the one who had committed it.
However, Katie Wendt with the Kent County Prosecutor's Office argues against that.
There has to be parameters to safeguard human life here.
She says the defense argues use of deadly force to have no parameters.
What that means in the course of this case is that Officer Schur could have shot and killed Mr. Lyoya almost at the instant he started running away. And that's not the law, and that's never been the law.
Outside the court, Schur's attorney called it an important issue, and if the case were to go to trial, further appeals are likely.
There's a lot of police officers wondering when are they going to be charged with crime. If somebody thinks that what I did during the course of the arrest was unreasonable, can I be charged with a crime? And right now, it's not entirely clear that that's not the case.
Meanwhile, a group of people stood outside the courthouse during the hearing in support of Patrick Lyoya.
The fact that they are arguing that it is training is abysmal, because that just means that the training here has executed Patrick Lyoya.
No decision was made today. There is no time frame for the appeals court to make a decision after these arguments. For now in the newsroom, Elena Holland, 13 on your side.